So when we run this code, we are getting problems, right? We are not able to extract the tweet count. So the reason is if you go to the documentation and you see evaluate, we need to pass a callback. So that's the problem. So we'll create a new function where get tweet count. And we'll pass this function. Now let's check. Okay, we are able to get the tweet count as 68. I tweeted one in the middle, so we are able to get tweet count as 68. So this is how we extract tweets, extract data from websites, right? Let's say that we have to extract following and followers. We need to check the DOM, how it's being rendered. Basically it has 3 lists, so it would be a good approach if we start reaching the target from the parent. So list, we have a class, we'll note it down in notepad. We have a class, and then we have the anchor tag. It's let's look for an unique selectors. I think this is unique, so it is an anchor tag. So we'll just use this selector, and then we can target the data. Okay, this is for tweets. For following, we can extract this is following, right? And we have following stats, right? So nothing else is getting changed. And for followers, we have the same follower stats. Follower stats. So these are the valid XPath for extracting DOM. So we can use this one. Let's before using here, let's check whether it's working. Since it's HTML, we need to use inner HTML. Okay, it's there is some problem. Query selector. We need to use capital inner HTML. Okay, this thing is working perfectly. Okay, tweet count, following stats. We can use this. It's always important to use parent selectors while extracting, while crawling the DOM. Here we have following stats. This is follower stats. Tweet count. We can use this one. Tweet stats, following stats. Naming conventions are very good. Incident. Okay, let's run the program. So all three we are getting 68. This is because we didn't change. It's like following stats, follower stats. Excuse me. So 68, 66, 23 is correct, right? So we have successfully crawled. This is how it's done. So let's if you want to, let's say okay, here I have this data. What I'm going to do in this, right? Excuse me. What you can do is we can use little file handling. Right. We can just write this into the file, right? That's one thing. But if let's say that I need these datas, right, in a format so that I can import into MongoDB, right? In that case, you can use JSON, right? Let's say where my JSON. Let's use just JSON. It starts. So here we have the data. We can first start write. Crawl the data dot it's JSON, right? So and we need to pass the data and write. Let's see if this is working. right? We are getting the JSON file here, and it's an object. Why it's an object, right? We need to have a string in order to do that. Stringify. Okay, we can check. We are getting the string here. So what we can do is we can pass this as input to Node.js program or whatever, and then import it into MongoDB. So this is one thing, and another there is this very interesting thing. I will end this with this one. We can actually, the main purpose of Casperjs is for testing, right? UI testing, right? So there are success cases, failure cases, and everything. If we can use this Casperjs to just capture the screen, right? We have a function called capture in these options. There are many things, a few things I didn't. There are little advanced topics I didn't cover here. Maybe later. So here we have this capture. We can capture an entire web page, or we can capture particular selectors. So let's see how to capture a particular selectors here. If I need to capture, so let's say Twitter profile, right? Let's say Twitter profile, and let's say I need these stats to be captured as an image, right? This will capture the particular area. If you want to capture the entire page, then you just use capture, right? Without any, just one parameter, pass capture as one parameter, and it's not the second argument is not necessary. Right, to draw capture all. Let's see how it's what's happening. Okay, it wouldn't work. I will just terminate it. We need to remove the selector. Selector should be here. Okay, now let's run. Right, we are getting two things. Twitter all is the entire page. We are getting the entire page. Twitter is just the tweets, right? Excuse me. This is how it's done, right? So I hope I didn't expect it to take this long, but I didn't know how time passed. Let me know if you have any problems, while working with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe.